When we begin reading this book, the first thing you need to do for the text, where it's just text and not poems, you're going to just look for text structures and syntax. So we have the 5 text structures in the packet, and you have examples of syntax also in another packet. So you're looking for main ideas, the who, what, why, when, where, how. You're going to underline all of them and then label either the text structure or the syntax. Maybe there's both. Just label them, make sure you use abbreviations. Then you're going to pick, if you are challenge English, you're picking one to analyze. If you're SWAS or gifted, you're going to pick 2 main ideas. So the rubric says that you can take lines of a text, so just something you've underlined, and explain how the author's style or text structure and syntax develop deeper meaning. So while we're annotating, you're just going to um, explain what it's developing and then have a few words on what it helps develop. So in this text, I underlined how she felt like worms and toads while she was being rude and disrespectful to her mother. So it is syntax, antithesis, or juxtaposition. I labeled that. I'm saying it's developing character. It might also develop plot. But if I say character, I also said it's very negative. It has a negative connotation. I used abbreviations. Um, she's conflicted because it says she felt good, but she also felt like a toad. The text structure is description or compare and contrast. Either one would work. Also, it helps, I think, the plot show the conflict between mother and daughter. So I said conflict, mother versus daughter. Also, I said it could be theme because it could be family here. So you don't have to do all 3 like I did, but here's an example.